Morning guys, welcome to New Zealand. First impressions, it's pretty cold, it's still pretty dark, sun comes up pretty late in the morning. But yeah, I'm stoked to be here. Got here pretty late last night, didn't sleep too well unfortunately, but I tell you what, the place I stayed in was pretty cool. Just a little hostel near the airport, not too far, but yeah, it was really cool. It was by Juicy, those guys that make those green and purple camper vans. And yeah, it was like a space pod. It was really, really bizarre. Like, you could literally shut yourself in your little pod. You're all self-contained. It was kind of cool, actually. So it's about 7 o'clock in the morning here, so that makes it about 4 a.m. where I came from the Gold Coast. So I really didn't get to sleep that much, but it's all right. Heading down now to pick up my car and start on the road to Kaikoura, so should be good. Whew. No wonder it's cold, it's only 7 degrees out there. Cool, so I've got my car, and yeah, now the trip begins to Kaikoura. It should take me about 2.5 hours. I've never driven in another country before, so that should be a bit of fun. Hopefully it's a nice drive, and I'll be able to enjoy some of that beautiful scenery that New Zealand is so famous for. Just arrived in Kaikoura. It was a very pleasant drive, I must say. The landscapes are just so different to what they are in Australia. You know, the roads are just literally just cut through all the hills and valleys. You know, beautifully scenic. You know, it was a very, very pleasant drive. Of course, Kaikoura is probably best known in recent times for the big earthquake that hit here a bit over a year ago now. And of course that earthquake caused massive devastation to the town, but also to the roads and infrastructure. So there was a time where the roads were actually closed for, you know, months and months and months. It was very difficult to get here. Then you could only go via the inland road, and then only recently they've opened up the main coastal road back up. And even then, it's not even open at all parts of the day, so you can't drive that road at night. So it was a bit slow getting through there, but again, you know, heaps to look at. The mountains literally hit the sea in this place. It's beautiful. First, just gonna head to Kaikoura Lookout up here, get a bit of a lay of the land, suss things out, and I tell you what, this place is unreal. Okay, I gotta look at the road, but epic, man, absolutely epic. How is this for a view? What a choice spot. So it pays to do a bit of research before you go visit places. And I have done a lot of research. I know exactly what I see, where I'm going to see it. But I think I still had this glimmer of hope that this particular seal colony I wanted to go to, which was right in the middle of the earthquake zone, was still going to be accessible. There's still seals there. I can see them as I've driven past, but there's just no way to get down there, you know. There's just kilometers and kilometers and kilometers of road that are, you know, just being rebuilt essentially, you know, being rebuilt from scratch, some of it. Some of them are just literally dirt roads because of the massive damage of this earthquake. I can see up on the mountains up here how much damage this earthquake actually did. So I'm pretty gutted. I've literally driven, you know, half an hour out, can't stop, and got to go half an hour back to Kaikoura. But that's okay, there'll be some seals around there. I just really want to go to this particular colony. I just want to see the seals. That's all I want. Why is it so hard? They're just over there, and I can't get there. Alright, so I'm back where I need to be now. Heading out to Kaikoura Peninsula to see some seals. And one thing I have learnt, this isn't the first time I've done something like this, is you can't get all tied up and hot and bothered about it and, you know, freak out that you've wasted all this time, because you're not going to get that time back. You know, you just got to make the most of the time that you've got, get out there, do what you want to do, see what you want to see, don't dwell on the time that you've lost. So that's my top tip for you guys for today. Take it or leave it, but might be hard, just let it go. How good was that? That's what I'm talking about. 10 seconds in, spotting a seal up nice and close. Now I'm going to try it once more. So apparently out this way there's quite a few more seals. Further you kind of get away from the tracks. I'll tell you what, seals smell. Seals have a stink about them, but there's that New Zealand fur seal brand, man. When I was driving here, rolled the windows down and got a whiff of that, and I knew I was in the right place. Tell you what, guys, I just come in behind this behind this rock. It's so windy at the moment, but that was absolutely unreal. One thing I love about seals so much is how naturally curious they are, particularly the pups, particularly the babies. You know, that's awesome. That's gonna leave you feeling good. The wind, I've been out here for ages in the middle of the day, there's no shade, but tell you what, it's worth it. I reckon I'm gonna call it a day. Good thing is the accommodation's only 5 minutes away from the seals, so I'll probably be back tomorrow. See you guys.